We might have heard a lot about North Korea dictatorship, where we even can't do haircut of our choice. So now I will tell you few things about North Korea's dictator, Kim Jong-un. If we see Kim Jong-un from North Korea's point of view, then he is not less than God for them. But in Western countries, Kim Jong-un does not have a good image. They call him nuclear lunatic or even overweight madman. But what's the reality and how does it actually feels to rule the most repressive country of human rights? Coming up in this video. But before starting, if you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing our channel. And now let's begin. The story starts on 8 January 1983 when Kim Jong-il and Ko Young-hui gave birth to Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong-un's initial life is secret, but it is said that Kim Jong-un did study his schooling from North Korean school. But for further studies, he was sent to Switzerland, where he changed his name and studied at school in Bern City. According to people knowing Kim Jong-un, he loved to play basketball and till 2002 to 2007, he has completed his studies from a North Korean university. From 1997 to 2011, Kim Jong-un's father, Kim Jong-il, was a leader for North Korea. But after Kim Jong-il's death, Kim Jong-un was officially declared as leader of North Korea in year 2011. After coming to power, the first thing he did was he kept meat for his father's death in various places of North Korea, and people of those places were forced to come for the meat, and those people who did not attend the meat were given the harsh punishments, and this was the time where Kim Jong-un's terror started rising. Kim Jong-un's father was no less, even he used to do injustice to North Koreans and he was even known to scare other countries. And stepping on father's steps, even Kim Jong-un created a lot of selfish rules which should be followed by North Korean citizens, and one who doesn't follow the rules, then that person has to face the consequences. Like there are only 28 hairstyles available in North Korea, from which 18 are for women's and 10 are for men's. If someone does the crime in North Korea, then that person has to suffer the punishment, but also his next 3 generations has to suffer, and only government employees or officers can stay in capital of North Korea, and only government officer has right to buy car in North Korea, and no one else can buy car in North Korea. In the schools of North Korea, teachers even tell the students the story of Kim Jong-un and his father. Common person in North Korea cannot wear the jeans, and the television in North Korea plays only those channels which only tells about Kim Jong-un, and even Kim Jong-un allows those channels which promotes him. If we talk about internet, then there are only few North Korean websites which can be seen, and social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter and YouTube are not even known to the people of North Korea. Elections are held in every 5 years, but no one stands against Kim Jong-un. Many countries in the world are scared of Kim Jong-un because few years ago he has successfully tested the hydrogen bomb, which is 1000 times powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which can destroy any country in blink of an eye. Till now we have understood that how bad is Kim Jong-un, and he always keep threatening America and Japan. But few years ago, after the meet of Donald Trump and Kim Jong-un, there are signs of peace, and even we hope world should not face any situation like World War in future, and even we pray for 2.5 crore North Korean citizens to get free quickly and live their life with their rights. So that's it for the video. I hope you loved the information, and thank you for giving your important time and watching our video. And if you like our video, do press the like button, and if you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing our channel. Thank you.